I'm calling you to say congratulations.
That's not true, Amari. You just call me a cuss, but you want your money. You're too lying. You have to stop it.
Miss Bling? No, seriously. This is the real Amari.
Mona, you just call me and say you want your money. That's what you said. You have to stop them something here. Amari, you come and tell me Artina want me. You never call me to say that. You call me a cuss.
It's on this social media talk. Miss Bling.
Me dey on live right now, so if you want me, come over me live.
Listen, I am very proud of you.
You're lying.
Say congratulations. Didn't I always tell you that I believe?
That's why I'm surprised when you deal with me on the internet. That's why I'm surprised because me I never live so. You're too wicked.
Weren't you the first one who interviewed me and I performed for you?
Amari. So why you walking and rub me up on the internet, Amari? What's the reason? Because it's like
you want to come to California.
Me what?
To my ear and you cuss me up and tell me to kiss your ass.
Cause what?
Don't come again.
Wait. What caused this beef between me and you? Where you say me do what?
You were to come to California to do my ear. When Kemar McGregor, I tell Kemar McGregor, I want you to be my stylist. And then the spirit say, I should not let you come. And I call you and tell you, don't worry to come and you tell me to kiss your ass.
Amari, me no remember that. And if me tell you to kiss you, me ask me sorry. Because me I never did live so. Me just can't take a bag of lie and the fuckery. Me just tired. Alright.
Always show a certain amount of respect for me.
That's what, but Amari, if you're going to put internet, attack things about me and them something, you're not going to expect that me, I going to feel away?
Yeah.
Me depend the live, girl. Me depend the live. Have your on speaker. So that's
okay.
Me just tell you, just in case it's the recording, cause you not call me up, which me not come get your blood clot lesions. You're wicked. You don't like me.
Honestly, Miss Bling, we don't care what nobody say.
What color you what is your favorite color?
What I like about your show, right? You listen.
What is your favorite color, Miss Blinga?
Attentively. And that is what makes
Let me hear what Amari said. Because she said she never called me for cuss me.
They interview you, that you did well. But you are good at interviewing people, and you are good at controlling the whole atmosphere and everything. I am so honestly proud of you.
Alright, so I could put fun and joke aside now. Because I know every people do things for entertainment and everything. You know Sammy is not a bad person. Why you go do it? Why you get on the internet and I'm making people them?
To kiss your ass. I don't like that.
Alright, Amari, I'm sorry for telling you that. But you trouble me. But listen now. Listen to what me I say. You can't expect say you go fling stone lick me and me not answer. You can't do that.
Yeah, that's true.
Now, what you say you don't like about the interview now? Because you're an interview queen. What you say go on with the interview now?
Well, the interview is you had so much to say that you were all over the place. Because you had a lot to say.
But them not giving a chance for really, you know, see how did that go? Them not giving a chance for really finish our last sentence and them something there.
No, what you really wanted to talk about, they didn't really care to talk about. And you have so much to say that I believe you need like 2, 3, 4 more interviews, you know, to get it all out. Because you show full enough.
But you know, me have more interviews lined up, but because me not comfortable with a lot of things, so me not ready. I'm telling you this all the time, so me not ready.
I noticed though that you were trying to keep everybody's secrets, you know, and I really respect that about you. You know, you weren't quick to give out information. That is very good. I applaud you for that.
Amari, you know what me is all about. If me do something to somebody will hurt them, me I go apologize. Right now, the drunk crowd in Florida, I talk a bag of things about me, and I've never, the little sour hermaphrodite down there, so, and I've never, ever say anything like for hurt that bitch. So me there wait pan she to come kick me in my face, and we wait pan you to come kick me. Sour done.
Come on, Miss Bling. You really have time for that? You can't take on pretty down. Remember, she said she be cursed for your living, you know. You can't take it on, man.
Me now look, me love, me just Me there I wait for everybody who are gonna lick me in my face and come talk me and do the things then. Me can't wait from last year, me there I wait.
So let me hear you talk seriously. The people them I say they never expect you to be have so much weight. What's up? Don't me hear the weight loss secret?
You did blood clot erase it from out of WhatsApp. You're wicked. You want wicked girl, Amari. Move your blood clot. Move your blood clot. You know didn't take you up. You give me and take you back, girl. But you know say IUD me having I'm not afraid for talk.
You didn't figure out. So forget about the secret.
Can you erase it back from us? Amari, leave me the fuck alone. You understand me? Can you just look sick if you go chat for live now? You just look sick if you go chat for live. Me tired of you. Me hear every day you get up your class. Me have to stop it.
No, let me tell you something. Remember me and you always talk about us make it in life. And the further I go, I feel bad to know that we left each other behind.
You don't feel bad. You're glad because you go. Well, I know. You even got to tell you, Mary, you do something to me where me not understand. Me I try to understand outcomes. True, me tell you kiss your ass, kiss me ass. You upset about that?
Yeah, but remember me and you didn't make a deal, you know.
Where deal, sir?
Remember me say you're gonna be famous, but in order to become famous, I'm gonna have to dog you, and I don't want you to take it personally. Didn't I make that agreement with you?
So let me ask you something. You dog me? Why me feel in blood clot most? So I know you.
But you are famous. You are the most trending factor right now.
Hey, Amari, stop swallowing me.
You are the most trending person online right now.
Are you serious?
I tell you that you are. I'm talking Amari, Tracy, Spice, everybody. You are number one right now.
Hey, people, Amari, people, them on the live here, you know that I want to tell you, know.
No, but they need to know. It's the truth. It's all about you.
Amari, stop it. You're going to make me run out the door going to one car. Stop it.
Lying. Your dream came true. So what you going to do with it now? I like the fact that you ran with the interviews and everything, but I want you to look like Miss Bling when you step out to the interview.
Well, that's true. You're right. That's why I never want God to interview them, because I feel like I need that image. You understand? So that's why Amari will class her late.
No, but this is the real Amari talking. Miss Bling know the real Amari, and she know the fucked up one, but just do things for internet sake. She knows that person. That's why that person